So guys, if you know, you look back on the channel, we've done a ton of regular cabs. We've built several of Alex's trucks right here on the channel. We've got Bill's truck on the channel. This is my good buddy Jesse, and he's longtime Fox body guy, but he went in neck deep, and I got to tell you, the results are ridiculous. I'm gonna say, I think he digs it. Let's check it out. Boys, do you know what every freaking Fox body needs? That's right, boost. Well, guess what? Our 5th giveaway is live, and that's exactly what we're giving you. 10 days only, guys, so you got to act Fox fast. thefoxcast.com/shop. Grab anything in the store. Every $5 spent gets you 1 entry to win that epic Vortech Supercharger. We got new flag designs to hang up in your shop, new hats, new keychains, new hoodies, those epic Oakley backpacks, all kinds of goodness in the shop, even new 5.0 keychains in different colors. So this is what you got to do, thefoxcast.com/shop. Like I said, every $5 spent in the store gets you 1 entry to win that epic Vortech Supercharger. Stop by the store now. It's only 10 days. Do not miss out. Grab something now and you're in. Dude, this is like, we've been talking a long time about you doing this build, and here it is.
Here it is. 100%, you know, to fruition. I love it.
Yeah.
Tickled pink with it.
Dude. Okay, so it's a 24. What's the color on it again?
So it's a 24 antimatter blue XL 4x4, and ordered it from the factory. It took about 2.5 months for it to come, and after that we just went ham. Like, we just went parts catalog crazy on it, and
hell yeah,
it is now.
And it looks ridiculous. All right, let's talk about the outside first, then we'll get into the guts. So obviously we got an altitude adjustment. Which kit did you end up going with?
Absolutely. So I went with the RideTech 3.5 kit.
Nice, nice kit.
You know, you see a lot of feedback about the IHC and the VAS kits, and those kits seem to have some issues here and there. And by the time you put the pieces in place to make it what it should be, you are at the cost or more than a RideTech. So I just decided to go right off the bat.
Buy it once and
buy once, cry once.
You're done.
And yeah, I mean, it did a great job. And actually, with it being a 4-wheel drive, it took the rear end down about 8 inches.
Oh, hell yeah. I was gonna say, the stance is money. Like,
awesome.
It's perfect. So obviously we got lots of color matching going on.
Yep. So big shout out to Dennis and his guys over at I'll give you the name of the shop.
We'll put it on the screen.
Yeah, I just had a full but his guys out there, you know, they a regular production shop, and they like doing a little something, you know, fun. Yeah. So these guys turned around and color matched all my pieces. Amazing. So they did the front bumper.
So front bumpers.
Lower valence, fender badges, which were smooth.
Yeah.
Sanded and smooth. Mirror caps, door handles, and then the rear bumper, and it came out amazing.
Let's check out.
You can't tell the difference between OEM and what was painted.
Yeah, and it's like a must. I mean, it does so much for the truck's exterior appearance. And then of course, the elephant in the room, gotta have the Belgians.
So we got the Belgian VFT8s.
Yes.
And I love these wheels. They don't photograph super well, but when you get them in person and you see them, like, they make the truck. It's a brushed titanium finish.
It looks amazing.
In a day where most people are blacking out or, you know, putting dark wheels and stuff on their vehicles, I want to do a little something different with this build, so we decided to go with, you know, a little brighter finish on the wheels.
And it's a 22.
It's a 22, 22 by 10, 305, 45, 22s all around.
Hell yeah.
COYOTE Proxy 3s. And,
very nice.
It's just ridiculous.
Badass. Yes, sir.
Yep. So we got the Gen 6 3-liter Whipple on this thing, and I was Lethal Performance's #5 pre-order.
I was gonna say, there's not many of these out there.
Out right now, but especially not ones that are already built by dealerships. So like Friendly Ford in Texas has a bunch.
Yeah.
You know, clearly Shelby's put out a bunch of 24s with you know, the Whipple on it, but haven't seen a whole lot of people online yet that have, you know, done it themselves. And again, a big shout out to Dave's Power, Mike, Car Creations by Mike, for putting this out. And, you know, I'm not gonna say they helped with the installation of the Whipple. They installed the Whipple.
Yeah.
You know, in this space right
here, it was
here,
a team effort, though. You guys.
But this space right here is custom tailored for somebody about Dave's size.
Yeah.
Because he spent most of the afternoon in the engine bay there, just making sure everything was good to go. But it completely changed the personality of the truck for sure.
It did. And they did make some changes. This being a Gen 6 Whipple, there are some changes over the Gen 5. Obviously the Gen 5 is nasty, makes stupid power, but you know, here we are. The unfortunate part is, well, unfortunate but fortunate, the only tuners are the Whipple. The Whipple tune obviously is good, but you know, it'll leave a little room to desire just because they want it to be safe and not tear stuff up. But yeah, and this thing, we haven't had it on the dyno, but you know, we've seen plenty of others, you know, making very, very healthy horsepower.
Absolutely. And
seat of the pants, this thing is
this is my first boosted vehicle in probably over 20 years, and it takes a little bit of getting used to.
Yeah.
It goes, you know, in Mexico, when you can export it to Mexico, from 60 to 110 and like literally blink of an eye. It's a space.
Yeah.
Like it's absolutely ridiculous.
An instant torque, man. The Whipples are notorious for that.
Absolutely.
The interior changes for 24. On an XL, you get the giant 12-inch screen, and you get the full digital cluster. Yep. Which is, you know, that was lariat stuff.
Absolutely.
For the most part before.
Spent a lot of money. In the 23s and older to swap out to the 12-inch radio. So, yep.
And I'm sorry, I'm a digital cluster guy. I love them.
Yeah, they're fantastic.
Mine's partial digital, but yeah, whatever. Maybe I need to up my game, but yeah, I mean, the interiors on these trucks, they're comfortable. You know, obviously an XL isn't going to have all the bells and whistles, but
well, another thing for 24 too with the XL is that everybody gets rubber floor mat or rubber flooring. Yeah. So it used to be in the 23s and older, if you got XLT, then you could get the carpeted floor, but everybody gets rubber floor now.
Everybody gets the rubber, huh? Oh,
so you get, you know, the caviar taste with the monitor, and then you get to remember the roots with the rubber floor.
You get the giant screen in the dash and rubber floors. Oh, well, but I mean, that's something you can do down the road.
Absolutely.
You know, how hard is it to throw some carpet in? But I mean, the seats are comfortable. The interior is extremely well put together. Got to have the stars and stripes right there.
Absolutely.
Absolutely love this truck. So there you go, guys, 2024, the next gen F150. So all the guys that are looking at the 24s thinking, hey, should I Whipple it? You know, what's the deal?
Oh, I don't know how you don't. I don't know why you can't just order it from the factory with the Whipple. That's the way it should be. It's like, you know, we kind of coined the phrase earlier talking, but you know, they built the Raptor R with, you know, the GT500 motor in it.
Yeah.
Really, I mean, I kind of see this as like F150 R.
Right.
It's got the Coyote with
exactly
and all that kind of good stuff. So
I mean, the Raptors are cool. I'll definitely give them, but more people want this type of truck than a Baja truck.
I mean, more to the capability of the truck.
Exactly.
Than a Raptor R. So.
Take it to the track. You know, go out to Mexico. You know, this is what Ford buyers want, and I would say most people's opinion.
Absolutely.
But anyway, there you go, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Huge shout out to my buddy Jesse.
Absolutely. Thanks, y'all.
Badass truck. I'm telling you guys, once I get my Fox body game kind of handled, keep an eye out.
There you go.
Because I will have one. Then we'll just go riding.
There you go.
Guys, I hope you enjoyed this. If you're buying a 2024, this is the way. Just freaking do it. And we'll catch you on the next one.